Welcome back, students. We are seeing banking chapter. Last class, last video, I have discussed about the formula and the specifications and the formula, that is the variables in the formula, and the use of this banking chapter as well. And I've also discussed how many models are given, all that. You can just check back the video, okay? Right, so let us start with the question. Simple question which says Saloni deposits ₹150 every month in her bank for 8 months under RD scheme. What will be the maturity value of her deposit if the rate of interest is 8% per annum? Find the interest at end of every month. Okay, so there are two sub questions actually in this. One is you have to find the maturity value, and the second thing is you have to find the interest as well. Okay, so let's begin with the solution. Yeah, so the thing is, always we have to write the data given. What is given? Every month deposit P value, which is 150. Okay, and it is done for 8 months. Luckily it is given in months, so no problem. If ever they give you in years, you have to convert the years into months. Okay, for instance, they give you 2 years, you will write 2 into 12, which is 24 months. 3 years, then 3 into 12, which is 36 months, like that. Okay, right. So next is, what is the next thing? Here you have to find the MV value. That's question mark given. And the next part is, you are also given with the rate of interest. So R is how much? 8% per annum. Don't get confused. Per annum is given and we are calculating for monthly. That's okay. It's absolutely fine, no problem at all, because we have to calculate rate of interest according to that. Okay. So we are going to write per annum as it is. Okay. So let's start with the formula. Always write the data and write the formula. Formula has marks. So MV is equals to P into N plus P into N plus 1 by 24 into R by 100. There are many ways of writing this. Some people write everything, all the numerator as 1 and the denominator is written as 2400. Even that you can follow, no objections. However you write, see that your formula is correct and you are doing the calculations properly. Okay, so let's start. P value is 150, N value is 8 months plus 150 into 8 into, isn't it 8 plus 1 as 9? So next step onwards will be, next problem onwards we will write directly, because it's the first one. I'm just writing. Done. And then you write 150 into 8 as it is. You can solve here, but although I'm interested in solving this first, so I am writing like this, and now I try to solve the parts. Okay, let's begin. The first thing is, you can cancel out 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3 3s are, that's done. And then 0 0 cancel, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Correct? Yes. So what is left here with me? I just have 150 into 8. I'll just come back to the 150 into 8 calculation. I'll show you easier way. So don't worry about that. And then I think 2 1s are 2 4s also you can cancel, and it becomes 3 into 3 into 4, which should be 9 4s are 36. Correct? Now here's the part. You want to write 150 into 8, isn't it? Let's write this as 5 into 3 into 10. 5 3s are 15 into 10 is 150. Can I write this is 2 into 4? So 5 into 2 is again 10. 10 10s are 100. 4 3s are 12. So 1200 you can write directly. However, you wish to write it, you want to do normal calculations, up to you. So 1236 rupees is my maturity value. And if you observe carefully, just remember this one, that this is the interest part. Okay, therefore interest is how much? Interest is equals to rupees 26. Yes, so that's how we calculate. We get the values. One is MV, that's maturity value, and the second one is interest value. Okay, both we have found. So yes, thank you so much. See you in the next class.